BIT Mesra is considered to be better than some of the newer IITs and some of the older NITs. But in what way? And how does it compare to NIT Jamshedpur? Let's find out starting with their NRF ranks. दोनों colleges में common बात ये है कि both have lost their ranks in the past 3 years. But while BIT has lost just 7 ranks, NIT Jamshedpur has slipped by 30 ranks. शायद इसी की वजह से BIT Mesra, जो कि एक प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है, टक्कर दे रहा है एक NIT को, both in terms of rankings as well as overall student preference. NIT Jamshedpur went from 86th rank in 2021 to 90 in 2022 and finally exited the top 100 list from engineering NIRF list in 2023. Now let's look at the reasons for the decline in NIRF ranking of NIT Jamshedpur and BIT Mesra. Both the institute have seen a fall in 3 important aspects: faculty-student ratio, the percentage of faculty members having a PhD, as well as the utilization of financial resources. BIT Mesra has also seen a decline in the number of publications coming out of the college in the past 3 years, because of which its public perception ranking has also taken a minor hit in 2022. अब हम कंपेयर करते हैं BIT Mesra और NIT Jamshedpur की प्लेसमेंट्स को। दोनों कॉलेजेस में लगभग सिमिलर नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज विजिटेड फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स इन 2022 to 2023. In BIT Mesra, there was a whooping 96% increase in the number of companies that visited as compared to the 2021 to 2022 academic cycle. Companies coming to BIT Mesra made 1,257 offers, which was a 100% rise over last year. These offers were made to 600 students, which in turn was also a 20% increase over last year. In NIT Jamshedpur, the number of offers was 850, although their placement rate was higher at 97.2%, which basically indicates a smaller batch size and therefore number of students sitting for placements. अब देखते हैं एवरेज सैलरी पैकेजेस के कंपैरिजन को। दोनों ही कॉलेजेस के एवरेज सैलरी पैकेज ऑलमोस्ट सेम है। इन BIT Mesra, average packages are at 13 lakhs. This was a growth of 30% over last year, whereas median salaries were at 9.9 lakhs. In NIT Jamshedpur, average package was slightly higher at 14.7 lakh per annum, which was a 23% rise over last year. Both the colleges attracted some top companies in the core engineering sectors as well as from the consulting C-suite. Now let's look at the courses and specializations offered in both the colleges. Did you know that BIT Mesra was the first institute in India to develop a department of space engineering and rocketry? It was also the first to develop a science and technology entrepreneurs park, BIT STEP. BIT Mesra offers 11 specializations in its BTech apart from BR, B Pharma and BHMCT, whereas NIT Jamshedpur offers 8. NIT Jamshedpur has a smaller batch size. There is a massive difference in the cost of both the programs, with one being almost 37% more expensive than the other. फैकल्टी स्टूडेंट रेशियो में काफ़ी नोटिसेबल डिफरेंस है। BIT Mesra में 20% लेस स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बट साथ ही साथ 40% मोर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स भी हैं एज कम्पेयर टू NIT Jamshedpur. Now let's talk about the scholarships and freeships of both the colleges. Both the colleges offer financial aid to their students, although since BIT's is a much more expensive BTech program, they also offer larger number of scholarships that are mostly merit-based, which means attached to a student's JE rank. NIT Jamshedpur, on the other hand, offers need-based aid, which is attached to your family income. Now let's talk about the cutoff trends of NIT Jamshedpur and BIT Mesra.
Interesting to note here is that cutoffs have become more competitive for both BIT Mesra as well as NIT Jamshedpur in the last 1 year. But as you can see, NIT Jamshedpur में same BTech streams लेना is much more competitive as compared to BIT Mesra, which is backed by its cutoff data. The production engineering closing cutoff rank for both BIT Mesra and NIT Jamshedpur decreased this year. However, NIT Jamshedpur में slight difference ही दिखा 2022 के comparison में, but BIT Mesra में this difference was massive. Same thing we got to see in civil as well. दोनों ही इंस्टीट्यूट्स में इस साल कट ऑफ्स कॉम्पिटिटिव तो हुई, बट NIT Jamshedpur में only 7%, while BIT Mesra में the difference was 37% over last year. NIT Jamshedpur's ECE cutoff fell by 11%, while BIT Mesra's cutoff decreased by almost 16% this year.
Shiksha.com के कॉलेजेस कट ऑफ पेजेस पर अगर आप देखें,
You can see that students के लिए NIT Jamshedpur से BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस करना is far more desirable as compared to BIT Mesra, और इसका अंदाजा आप इन दोनों प्रोग्राम्स के कट ऑफ से लगा सकते हैं। 2022 से कंपेयर करें तो BIT Mesra में CSE की क्लोजिंग कट ऑफ 13% तक एंड NIT Jamshedpur में ओनली 0.7% ही ड्रॉप हुई दिस ईयर।
एक और इंटरेस्टिंग बात, BIT Mesra has launched some new integrated master programs in 2022. They're rapidly coming up and being preferred by students. And this is also reflecting in their respective JEE cutoffs. For example, the integrated 5 years masters in quantitative economics and data science, mathematics and computing, as well as physics is being preferred by students over some of the traditional BTech specializations such as civil and ECE. अब एक नज़र डालते हैं इन दोनों कॉलेजेस के इंफ्रा, फैसिलिटीज और कैंपस लाइफ पर। BIT Mesra's campus is almost double the size of NIT Jamshedpur. This also means that they have far more space to provide more sports, social amenities, hostels, labs, etc. Number of societies that are active on campus and are adding a lot of variety of experiences to student life are also comparable. Sports, cultural calendars भी काफ़ी action packed हैं। दोनों colleges का academic schedule is averaging 15 lectures per week. A look at student diversity. BIT Mesra has more diverse student body with a half-half split between students from within the state and those from other states. अब चलते हैं सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्शन पे विच इज कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन यानी कि स्टूडेंट फीडबैक फॉर बोथ दिस कॉलेजेस। शिक्षा.com के कॉलेज रिव्यू सेक्शन में स्टूडेंट्स ने हमें बताया कि BIT Mesra's infra is great. Their sports complex has many facilities. Various events are organized on a regular basis. The campus is surrounded by villages and is in close proximity to a river. Shortage of food courts in campus. As for NIT Jamshedpur, students का कहना है कि classrooms and hostels are good, labs are also well maintained, food quality is good and cost effective. Some pain points: Wi-Fi facility is poor despite paying rupees 1000 as Wi-Fi charges. Maintenance is also below par. Finally, BIT Mesra और NIT Jamshedpur के comparative strengths और weaknesses को देख लेते हैं। BIT Mesra is ranked much higher on NIRF. It saw a significant rise in companies coming to place on campus this year. It has a way bigger campus and facilities and offers more BTech specializations. Being a private college, it has demonstrated more speed in responding to the market demand for courses in AI, ML and data sciences, and these courses have become more coveted in the past 2 years. Moreover, BIT Mesra has a far better FSR than NIT Jamshedpur. It almost has 40% more faculty members, so chances are slim that you will feel left out as you will get considerable amount of attention from professors at BITM. On the other hand, NIT Jamshedpur has provided slightly better salary packages to its students, better placement rates and is therefore more economical than BIT Mesra. Both these facts lead to way better ROI for NIT Jamshedpur. This brings us to the end of this comparison. Do let us know how do you like this video, drop a line in the comment section and don't forget to check more details on Shiksha.com.